Kandy Falcons will clash with Jaffna Kings in match 11 of the 2024 Lanka Premier League in Dambulla on the 9th of July. Kandy have played 2 matches so far in the tournament with 1 win and 1 defeat. Jaffna ने 3 मैच खेले हैं और उनमें से 2 में विजय प्राप्त की है। रंगीरी डम्बुला इंटरनेशनल स्टेडियम ने अब तक 8 T20 मैचेस होस्ट किए हैं, जिनमें से टॉस जीतने वाली टीम ने 4 बार पहले बैटिंग करने का फैसला किया है और 4 बार ही फील्डिंग करने का। डम्बुला में पहली इनिंग्स का एवरेज स्कोर 176 for 7 है और दूसरी इनिंग्स का एवरेज स्कोर 160 for 7 है। Jaffna are unlikely to make any changes to their playing 11. They have a very strong batting lineup. Kandy will be heavily dependent on their all-rounders. Kandy lead the head-to-head record since 2020 and have won 6 of the 10 encounters between the two teams. Dinesh Chandimal will be key for Kandy as the experienced batter has scored 1,172 runs in 40 innings of the Lanka Premier League at a strike rate of 134.2, which includes 650s. Vinendu Hasaranga is a world-class leg spinner who has tasted success both in international cricket and in the IPL. His googlies are deadly and deceptive. Avishka Fernando has been a standout batsman in the Lanka Premier League. In 41 innings, he has amassed 1,323 runs with an average of 35.75 and a strike rate of 136.37. He has scored 11 50s and 1 century in the tournament. Kushal Mendes has scored 1,106 runs in 39 LPL innings at an average of 29.9 and strike rate of 132.8 with 8 50s and can be destructive at the top of the order. Kasun Rajitha is amongst the top 5 wicket takers in the LPL. In 24 innings, Rajitha has picked 32 wickets at an average of 19.03 and strike rate of 14.4. Mohammad Hasnain would be an avoid pick for Kandy because of lack of game time in the LPL. He has featured in only 1 LPL season so far. Charit Asalanka will be the playmaker for Jaffna in the middle order. In Lanka Premier League, he scored 671 runs in 34 innings. Right arm middle fast Pramod Madushan is the avoid pick for Jaffna. He hasn't picked many wickets in the LPL and is also very expensive with an economy of 9.13. Jaffna start favourites due to their strong batting lineup. They have a 60% chance of winning the match. Vinendu Hasaranga would be a good choice for captain. Kushal Mendes would be a fine option for vice captain. और ये है हमारी Fantasy 11. Our wicketkeeper is Kushal Mendes, while our batters are Pathum Nissanka, Avishka Fernando, Charit Asalanka and Riley Russo, whereas the bowlers are Dushmantha Chamira, Kasun Rajitha and Vijaykanth Vijaykanth. The all-rounders are Dashun Shakana, Hasaranga and Omar Zaid.